Hey there, it's E² Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Are you someone who uses Lightroom but you find it so time consuming? Well, we're gonna save you a little bit of time today because we're gonna teach you exactly how to create your own Lightroom preset.
And don't forget to stick around until the end because we have a special something just for you.
By the end of this video today, you will have a great understanding of how to speed up your editing process.
For the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications of future videos. Okay, so do you ever get sick of going from image to image to image and location, and changing the same settings, going shadows up, highlights down, whatever you might do that you typically do to every single picture, no matter what the session is or the location that you're shooting in? If that's something you do and you struggle with how to make it just go quicker, we're gonna show you how you can turn your basic settings into a Lightroom preset to make things a lot quicker and easier for you.
But before we dive in, we want to make sure that you guys are using Lightroom Classic. That's what you are going to see us using in this little video here in a second. And it's really important to learn Lightroom. So we're going to go over some things today, but it's important to have a basic understanding of Lightroom because it is that amazing and you will absolutely love it. But take a look at how we do this.
Okay, so let's dive in and show you how you can create a preset based off of your simple basic edits that you do pretty much to every image, so you don't have to do it to every image in your gallery. So here I have a picture, it's straight out of camera, and I am just going to quickly do a few things that I would normally do. So I am going to start by straightening it out. Maybe, there we go. Straighten it a little bit, and I'm just gonna do this super quick so I can show you. And then I'm just gonna do my typical things that I would do to it. So typically would go to shadows, bump that up. I bring my highlights down usually. Exposure up. Let's see. Let's go to about there. Contrast I like to drag up a little bit. There we go. I'm going to bring my whites down and my blacks down a little bit. Let's see, that's good. And this is just really simple. I would obviously fine tune it a little bit better. And then vibrance down just a little, maybe not too much. And then obviously I would go in and I would soften the skin and all that, but I'm not going to do that right now just to show you. So let's say those are your basic settings that you do to pretty much every image and you do it over and over and over again. What you can do is you can create a preset to just apply that to your image. So to do that, you're going to go over here where it says presets and you're going to click the plus button. And it says add new preset, and you're going to go create preset. And then I'm just going to title this, and I'm just going to put basic edit test because I'm going to probably delete this when I'm done because I don't need it. So basic edit test, so it's got all of the things that I typically do. Now you obviously wouldn't want to be creating a preset of like skin softening or teeth whitening because that's stuff that you wouldn't want applied to every image because it's going to apply it to different spots. So I'm going to do the basic things. I'm going to go create, and then I should be good to go. So now let's say I go to, let me actually reset this image here now. So it's all reset. And now I go to my user presets over here where it says user presets. And if I go to basic edit, test, it's going to apply that. Obviously, I have to straighten it. I have to soften the skin. I have to do all of that stuff, but that's how you would apply a basic preset. So now let's just, for fun, let's go to, I'm going to pull up a different image from this session, and I'm going to reset it, and I'm just going to show you. So this is the same location. She's faced a different way, but let's try applying that basic preset and see what happens here. So I applied the basic preset. Obviously, it's way too bright, so I can just then adjust the exposure here a little bit. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. I would just fine-tune it like I was saying before, by cropping, straightening, softening skin, blemishes, all of that kind of stuff. So that's how you can create a preset based on the basic things. Now, another cool thing you can do is, let's say you use this location a lot. You can really fine tune your preset, and you could even label it the location. So like we shoot in a specific field a lot, so we have a preset that we can apply that in the fall time, let's say, in this field, it can be called Fall Field 1, whatever it might be called, and it works well to apply that consistently through galleries that or shoots that we take in that field, and then it's nice and consistent and it works really well for us. So just doing that will speed it up, so then you don't have to be over here in the basic panel adjusting everything for each individual picture every time. So you can kind of save those to continue to apply. Now, another just bonus thing here, let's say that I have this image, and then I'm just going to go here and I'm going to reset this here. Okay, so let's say I'm here and I really like the way this looks. I'm going to go over to my copy, and I'm going to copy all of these settings that are here, and then I'm going to go to my other image and I want to paste them to here. So I could just paste it as well. That's another thing, but creating the preset's nice because when you go into start editing a fresh new session, then you can use that preset option that you have over in your user presets there. So that is how you can add a preset.
Okay, so we hope that that was helpful for you in now being able to create your own presets. And like I kind of said in the video, your basic presets are great to use across a wide range of locations, sessions, all of that. But you might want to remember that each location is different, like I said in the video. So we create a preset based on specific locations. So right now we're in the middle of fall, we're shooting in this beautiful field. We've created a preset that we can apply throughout the fall season for that setting and those images whenever we shoot there, which is really nice. So that's something to think about eventually as well for you. And like I said at the beginning of the video, we have something special for you. We have in the description below a Lightroom cheat sheet for you to get your hands on today. So make sure to take a look.
Comment below and let us know your biggest frustration when it comes to editing in Lightroom. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one.
And don't forget to get your hands on that special download. And if you don't already, make sure to follow us at esquared.photography on Instagram for more behind the scenes of us at sessions. And we will see you next time.